natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in slightly positive MACD. As we extend out to the forward chart, we are in slightly positive MACD, seeing signs of a converge. We're still resting right above the 50 moving average, this yellow line, and that is at a price of $4.25. With the daily chart, we are in slightly negative MACD, but approaching to positive MACD as we're seeing increase in the green MACD bars. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $13.43, and that is its range here. My sell target is at $14.42. My stop loss is at $13.19. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $14.91, and that is its range there. My sell target is at $13.67. My stop loss is at $15.43. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 5 to 10%. To the downside has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and a 33% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.